Once upon a time in a lush, green forest, there lived a little tortoise named Timmy. Timmy was the smallest tortoise in his family, but he had the biggest heart and the bravest spirit. Every day, Timmy would hear stories about a great mountain that stood tall beyond the forest. It was said that at the top of the mountain, there was a magical tree that granted wishes to those who reached it. One sunny morning, Timmy decided that he would be the one to reach the top of the great mountain. His friends, the rabbits, laughed at him, saying, "You're too slow, Timmy. You'll never make it." But Timmy didn't let their words discourage him. He packed a small bag with some food, water, and a warm blanket, and set off on his journey. As Timmy traveled through the forest, he met a wise old owl perched high in a tree. "Where are you going, little one?" asked the owl. "I'm going to climb the great mountain and find the magical tree," Timmy replied confidently. The owl nodded and said, "The journey is long and tough, but remember, it's not about how fast you go. It's about never giving up." Encouraged by the owl's words, Timmy continued on his way. He crossed rivers, climbed over rocks, and even got lost a few times. But no matter what, Timmy kept moving forward. After many days of travel, Timmy finally reached the foot of the great mountain. The climb was steep and exhausting, but Timmy took one slow step at a time. His legs ached, and he felt like giving up, but he remembered the owl's advice. As the sun was setting on the third day of his climb, Timmy reached the top of the mountain. There, under the golden light of the sunset, stood the magical tree, its branches shimmering with a soft, golden glow. Timmy closed his eyes and made a wish. "I wish to be strong and brave, so I can help others in need." Suddenly, the tree's branches rustled, and a soft, warm breeze enveloped Timmy. When he opened his eyes, he felt different. He didn't feel tired or small anymore. He felt strong and full of energy. Timmy realized that the magical tree had granted his wish not by changing his size or speed, but by showing him the strength he had. All along in his heart, with a big smile, Timmy began his journey back down the mountain, eager to share his story with his friends. And from that day on, whenever anyone in the forest needed help, they knew they could count on Timmy the tortoise.